It's okay. Come here, look. Come here, look. It's okay. It won't hurt you. It won't hurt you. It's okay. Come here. Look, there you go. Do you want to touch it? Here, give it a try. It's okay. It won't hurt you. Give it a try, Chloe. Here, it's okay. It won't hurt you. It's okay. We'll try something else. This is more like. Woof. Is that your message? Devil machine. Hey, Chloe, come here. Look. So you don't think people need a third screen? No? Do you want to play Words with Friends? Okay. Okay. That's all. That's okay. Do you like the iPad? No, not so much, huh? Hey, no biting. Okay.